Let's take another example on expressing decimal fractions in standard form. For the part A, we are to express 0.000005 in standard form. So we'll first express this as a fraction. And to do that, we identify the non-zero numbers that we have in this number. So you can see we have a lot of zeros, and the only non-zero we have here is 5. So we write that, and then we have 5 over. Now we write 1, and then count the number of digits that follow the decimal point. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That will mean we'll have 6 zeros here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this can then be expressed as 5 over. Now we write this 1 million in index form. To do so, we write the number 10 and then give it a power based on the number of zeros we have here. And since we have 6 zeros, that will mean we have 10 with the power of 6, which can then be expressed as 5 multiplied by 1 over 10 raised to the power of 6. That would mean that this number can then be written as 5 multiplied by. Then when we follow the law of indices, what we have here is 10 with the power of negative 6. So therefore 0.000005 is 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6. Now let's do B. For question B, we have 0.0000008. Now the non-zero we have in this number is 8. So we would have 8 over. Now count how many digits after the decimal point. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is after 1 we would have 8 zeros. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 100 million. This can then be written as 8 over 10 raised to the power of 8, since we have 8 zeros. So to express this further, we then have 8 multiplied by 1 over 10 raised to the power 8, which can be written as 8 times 10 raised to the power minus 8 when we obey the law of indices. Therefore, in our conclusion, we then say 0.000005 equals 5 times 10 raised to the power minus 6, and then 0.0000008 equals 8 times 10 raised to the power minus 8. And that's how we convert a number, a decimal fraction like this, into its standard form. Thank you.